Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your sales outreach with Outreach.io beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Outreach.io account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your sales activities. Begin by setting up your user profile if you haven't already. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, ensure that your contact information is accurate. Next, go to the Security section in the Settings. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Link your mobile device to receive verification codes. Now, return to the dashboard and navigate to the Integrations tab. Connect your email and CRM systems for a seamless workflow. Ensure that all linked accounts follow security protocols. Next, focus on creating targeted lists to improve your outreach. Utilize filters to segment your audience based on various criteria. Craft personalized outreach templates to enhance engagement. In the Outreach tool, create sequences tailored to specific customer needs. Regularly monitor your outreach campaigns through the Analytics dashboard. Review engagement metrics to identify areas for improvement. Update your strategies based on real-time data insights. Always keep your message professional and consistent across all channels. Finally, ensure that you regularly check for software updates from Outreach.io. Stay informed about new features that can enhance your security and effectiveness. With these steps, you can effectively protect your sales outreach and improve your success rate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.